Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will be showing you the designs I made using the Softflex design kit for rainy day. The link down below in the description of my video unboxing of that wonderful kit, any tutorials that I have using this kit. I made a few pairs of earrings. This kit was jam-packed full of beads and crystals from Bedoria, so I thought it'd be really nice to make some sparkly earrings. Created this rainy day charm necklace and using the Tanzanite soft flex wire that came in the kit with the little cloud charms. And then this string was part of the packaging for the design kit. So I thought it'd be really nice to kind of incorporate it. Just looks like raindrops falling. And I know Joyce had made some earrings using the same thing. So that was just really neat. Really fun design element just to show you that you can use all parts of the Softflex design kit for your jewelry designs. We have the rainy day necklace with the little umbrella charm and then some briolette drops that just look like raindrops. And then I connected the Softflex here to another part of the necklace. So if I wanted to switch it out with maybe some more chain in the future, or like some leather or silver silk, I could do that or just kind of change up my design. But I love these purple pave beads and how the design just sparkles. That gives it that rainy day blues. And last but not least, we have this project. It's still a work in progress. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the back of it to make it a longer necklace, but we have the pastel purples and some of the grays from the rainy day kit. And April showers bring May flowers. So I'm definitely feeling the spring vibes. And I just wanted to add some butterflies in there and kind of make it a spring design. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content, tutorials, and unboxings. And stay tuned for the last Wednesday of every month where Softflex Company reveals their newest design kit. And I'm super excited to share next month's kit with you. It's a good one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.